Okay guys, so we're going to be doing something a little bit different this week. I'm going to be sharing with you what we eat in a week. I'm just going to show you everything that we make. If I don't show you the recipe, then it will be in a different video. So yeah, starting out, it's Monday. It is Memorial Day. We've got some leftover side dishes that we need to eat up from yesterday. So I thought I would make some dry rub baked chicken in the oven, and I've got my chicken here. It is so like marinating in a salt brine, or a mixture of salt brine. It's just half salt, half sugar, some thyme, and a little bit of Kansas City rub, and I've got that soaking in there. It's been marinating for, I don't know, about 4+ hours or so. And then I'm going to just drain this, pat it dry, and then we're going to add some of this on the top. And then we're going to pop that in the oven, and then I will show you what it looks like when I get it all seasoned up. Okay guys, so I've got a little sheet tray here, and none of my wire racks fit in this pan, so I just took a little grill sheet tray that you put on the grill and just turned it upside down, put parchment paper down, flipped it upside down, put it on there, and then just put my chicken on there. So yeah, I'm going to pop this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, just until the chicken is completely cooked through, and I will show you our plates when we get done. Okay guys, so everything is done. I got some chicken here. I've got some broccoli salad, some corn, and some baked beans. So we're gonna go enjoy some dinner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so for dinner tonight, we're going to be doing a pasta salad. Now I've got some random bits and bobs here that I need to use up. I've got some spring mix here. I just got this, but I wanted to add some of this to the pasta salad. I've got some chicken that I need to use up. I've got some Parmesan cheese, onion, some cucumber, these little bitty sliced black olives, some carrots, cucumber, tomato, some pasta. And for the dressing, I've got a lemon here that's left over from making some lemon and herb French loaf bread. So I'm going to use that up for my dressing. I've got some honey, red wine vinegar, some Italian seasoning, garlic powder and onion powder, salt and pepper, and some avocado oil. So I'm going to get you guys set up, and we'll get this pasta going. But first, I'm going to get my pasta into my salted boiling water, and we're going to get that cooked, and then I'm going to drain it and run it under some cold water. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll meet you guys right back here. In the meantime, while that's cooking, I'm going to shred my chicken, my carrots, and all of that good stuff. So see you back in just a few. Okay, so I've got my big bowl here, and I've got some of my noodles in here. I've got the rest sitting to the side. So I've got my carrots and my bell pepper chopped, my tomato, and my red onion. Not my red onion, it's just an onion. My olives. And my chicken. And I've got some pepperoncinis here. And I'm just going to add a few of these. Just for that little vinegary bite. You don't have to add too much. Or you can just leave them out. Up to you. And I've got some of my Parmesan cheese here. I'm just going to add just a little bit to this. The pasta isn't hot, so it's not going to melt the cheese. And I'm going to give this a little toss before I add in my dressing, just to help it along a little bit. Okay, so I've got my dressing here. Give that another little whisk. Add that right to the top. And all I'm going to do now is just mix this together, and I will show you what it looks like when we get it plated. Okay, so I've got my bowl here, and I've got the pasta, olives, tomatoes, bell pepper, there's no cucumber. The cucumber was bad, so I just tossed it. But there's bell pepper, there's spring mix in there, there's some chicken and Parmesan cheese, and a delicious dressing. So this is a great way to use up leftovers. If you have any in the fridge, is make a pasta salad. So that's what I did. So that is dinner for tonight. Okay guys, so for dinner tonight we're going to have cilantro lime chicken with some cilantro lime rice, some dressing to go on top. You've already seen me make that, and some green beans to go on the side. So we are going to start off with the rice. I'm going to get that going in here, and then we're going to move on to cooking the chicken, which I've already got marinating. I will leave the link to the video for this recipe down in the description box below, or you can head on over to Managin the Maze and just look up her recipe there. So we're going to go ahead and get this rice started. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with the rice. I've got about 2 cups of rice that I've gone ahead and rinsed off completely. So I'm going to add that in there, and to my rice I'm going to add 2 cups of water plus the zest of 1 lime and the juice of 1 lime. I'm going to also add in some of this cilantro. I don't know, about a tablespoon and a half. along with some salt and some pepper. And we're going to give that a little mix. Break that cilantro up in there so that way it's evenly distributed throughout the rice. Okay, now we're just going to put the lid on, set it to seal, hit the rice button, let it do its thing. So in the meantime, we're going to work on the chicken. Okay guys, so I've got my grill pan here and I'm going to tell you about the chicken, and it's been marinating for a couple of hours. It's just been marinating in some honey, some olive oil, salt, pepper, cilantro, garlic, lime juice, all the good stuff. I will leave the link to this in the description box below, as well as pinned in the comment section as well, so you can find that there, and you can just click the link and it'll take you right to it. So we're going to go ahead and start grilling this up. Okay, so in my bowl here I've got some cilantro lime rice, I've got some spring mix, some green beans, some chicken, and some of that dressing. It looks absolutely delicious. It smells even better. And that is dinner for tonight. Okay guys, so for dinner tonight we're just going to make a super simple sheet pan dinner with a side of this suddenly salad, creamy Italian pasta. It's going to be good. First, what I'm going to do is go over the ingredients and then we will get started. So I've got some salt and pepper. I've got some of this buttery steakhouse seasoning, some broccoli, some of this Cajun style andouille smoked sausage, really, really good. A couple of potatoes, some olive oil, an onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, and some carrots. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse off my potatoes and my carrots and get those chopped up along with my onion here. I'm going to go ahead and get that on the pan and then I'll meet you right back here. Okay guys, so I've got all of my vegetables on here. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil, some salt and pepper, and just a little bit of this because we're going to add a little bit more when we get the broccoli and the sausage on and a little bit later. So go easy on this. You can season it again later. Okay, so I've got this all coated in the salt, pepper, and seasoning. I'm just going to spread this out, pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes just to give the potatoes and carrots and onions a head start, and they can get all nice and soft before we add in the remaining ingredients. So I'm just going to pop these in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so this is our dinner for tonight. I've got the sausage and vegetable sheep tray meal, some cucumbers with olive oil, salt and pepper, and some of the pasta. So yeah, that is dinner for tonight, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.